Welcome to All Motors brand, your go-to destination for the latest reviews, specs, and features of vehicles from around the world. We bring you in-depth coverage of military, civilian, and off-road vehicles, with a focus on design, performance, and functionality. Today, we are reviewing the new 2025 Tigr-M, a modernized armored vehicle that continues to gain global attention for its toughness and versatility. The 2025 Tigr-M is a high-mobility multipurpose vehicle designed for a wide range of military and law enforcement tasks. Built to operate under extreme conditions, it offers exceptional durability on and off-road. This latest model features several upgrades over its predecessors, including improved armor protection, enhanced electronics, and better all-terrain performance. The new version has a more powerful engine and reinforced suspension, making it more efficient for transporting troops and equipment in rough environments. Under the hood, the 2025 Tigr-M comes equipped with a diesel engine capable of producing around 330 horsepower. This provides the vehicle with enough power to move efficiently across various landscapes including sand, snow, and mud. It is also equipped with a modern transmission system that ensures smooth gear shifts and a reliable drivetrain for demanding missions. With a top speed of approximately 120 km per hour, the Tigr-M balances speed with stability, which is essential for tactical operations. In terms of armor, the vehicle offers protection against small arms fire, shell splinters, and improvised explosive devices. The cabin is designed to protect the crew while maintaining visibility and communication. The latest model integrates advanced communication systems and navigation aids, allowing it to operate effectively in both urban and battlefield environments. There are also options for mounting a variety of weapon systems depending on mission requirements, including machine guns and grenade launchers. One of the key improvements in the 2025 version is its modular build. This allows the vehicle to be configured for different roles such as reconnaissance, command and control, or medical evacuation. It can also be airlifted by medium transport aircraft, increasing its operational flexibility. The interior has also been upgraded for greater comfort, with better seating and climate control, especially beneficial in extended missions. If you're interested in military vehicle engineering, or just want to stay informed about the latest tech in defense mobility, this channel has you covered. We regularly upload content on armored vehicles, utility trucks, and cutting-edge designs from around the world. Make sure to subscribe to All Motors brand so you never miss an update on the latest models and reviews.